Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my August 2022 BOXYCHARM Premium Subscription Box unboxing. I'm so glad that this is finally here. I am so excited to get into it. I already got my other BOXYCHARM box for the month. I got my Ipsy Glam Bag X, but I think I'm still waiting on my regular Ipsy Glam Bag. So hopefully that gets here soon as well. But I always unbox all of my beauty subscriptions here on my YouTube channel, and then I do full dedicated review tutorial videos on all of the makeup products that I get. So if you like that type of content, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. But without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in this monthly beauty subscription box. BOXYCHARM Premium might be one of my favorites because you get full-size products. I usually love the brands, so let's see what's in this month's box. I've got product information here, which is great because I love to add up my total retail value. And right on top, I see a product from Item Beauty, which I do like Item Beauty. This here is Lid Glaze Hydrating Jelly Eyeshadow. So I got this in the shade Coin Toss. This is luckily a different shade than what I've already tried that I got in Ipsy. So it's kind of frustrating when I get a product in Ipsy and then I get it also in BOXYCHARM because I think they're pretty connected now. Also, how I get a product in BOXYCHARM last month and then I get the same product this month but in a different shade. That's really frustrating to me, and if I keep getting repeat products, like I consider it a repeat product even if it's in a different shade, then I'm not going to be happy with my beauty subscriptions. So this Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lid Glaze Hydrating Jelly Eyeshadow retails for $14, and this Coin Toss, kind of like a copper shade, does look very pretty. Ooh, next is a big product. Balancing Cleanser with Aloe Vera from the brand Alpha H. I am not familiar with this. A gentle creamy lotion which removes all traces of face and eye makeup while balancing the skin. This non-greasy cleanser has a 3-in-1 action that gently cleanses without drying or irritating the skin, while vitamin E and aloe vera combine to provide ongoing hydration throughout the day. Oh. This is a giant face wash. When it comes to my beauty preferences, I prefer makeup, and that's what I put on my quiz, my feedback. I was thinking maybe this would be a body cleanser because it's so big. I mean, I guess I could use it on the body. Why not? I might have to start doing that since I keep getting cleansers and skincare products that I don't really want or need. But if I start using them on the body, that actually could be a good use for them. But this seems like it could be an expensive brand. Let's see, the retail value on the Alpha H Balancing Cleanser is $36. That is pretty pricey for a cleanser. Next, I've got interesting packaging. I think this is called Mellow Way. Your Way Mascara. What? Okay. This is different, and this is what I'm excited to see. This is a brand that I'm not familiar with. Vegan, no animal testing, easy to use, paraben-free, patented brush. So it's a patented flexible wand, bends up to 90 degrees into 4 directions. That is very cool and different, and I love trying out mascaras. Ooh, fun packaging. Let's see. So this is one of the products I'll do a full dedicated review video on. Whoa. So does this, oh my gosh, it does. Whoa. It looks like a good wand. It's bigger than I was expecting. Wow, that is definitely different and very cool. Well, I am excited to put this to the test. The Mellow Way Your Way Mascara retails for $22. Next, let's see what's in here. Playa Minoy Milk Leave-In Conditioner. Smooths frizz and softens strands, coconut milk, and Manoy oil. Well, my hair, as you can tell, could definitely benefit from this. Should I try it out? Ooh. It does have a nice smell to it. Not like my favorite hair product smell, but kind of nice. like I said, I do prefer to get makeup, but I don't get too much hair product in Ipsy or BOXYCHARM, so I'm not too mad to see this. And very cute packaging. The Playa Monoy Milk Leave-In Conditioner retails for $24. Next up, oh, from Ofra, Signature Palette Symphony. I love getting Ofra products. I do get a lot of Ofra in Ipsy and BOXYCHARM, but that is fine by me. Ooh, this looks pretty. Okay, this is a product I am excited to get. I love trying out eyeshadow products. I love trying out Ofra products, and the colors in this palette are right up my alley. Oh my gosh, that is an exciting product to get. The Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palette Symphony retails for $34. And then my sixth and final product, which I feel like they used to say in BOXYCHARM Premium you would get 6 or 7 full-size products. I think I've only gotten 6 full-size products for many, many months in a row now. And the regular BOXYCHARM base box always comes with 5 products, so you only get 1 more product in this box. So is it worth it? I also feel like my retail value is not going to be very high this month. But, oh gosh, yeah, and the product that I'm finishing on is not a product that I'm too excited about. This is Essential Radiance Nutrient C Eye Cream from the brand Berkey, which I'm not familiar with, but it's a skincare product, an eye cream. I mean, I use an eye cream morning and night, but it's just not my preference to get this. So I'm sure it's nice. I'll hopefully try it out eventually, but I am not in need of an eye cream. I mean, this does seem like it could be a pricey product. Let's see. The Berkey Nutrient C Eye Cream. This retails for $90. Okay, so I guess that's how they're giving more value to my box this month. And it does seem like maybe that tends to happen where they throw in a high retail value item, even if it doesn't match my preferences, to get the value of the box to where they advertise it. But I'll do a quick recap and I'll let you know the total retail value. So I got the Playa Leave-In Conditioner, the Berkey Eye Cream, the Alpha H Cleanser. Those are 3 products, so half of my box that don't really meet my my preferences, that I'm not super excited to get. The rest of the products I feel pretty good about, like this Mellow Way mascara. This seems really cool and different. The Ofra palette I'm very excited about. And then the Item Beauty Lid Glaze. Kind of bummed that I've already tried this out from Ipsy, but at least it's a makeup product. And all of that brings me to a total retail value of only $220. I say only because compared to other BOXYCHARM Premium boxes that I've gotten, that is probably one of the lowest retail values. And considering I wouldn't really purchase a lot of these products on my own, it just doesn't feel like great value in this box. August in general has not been the best for beauty subscriptions, especially BOXYCHARM, but fingers crossed next month will be better. But if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on them. Let me know your thoughts on your BOXYCHARM boxes this month. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.